Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to collab post on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account, click on to plus icon for the post. You can easily add your reels or video for the collaboration in this process. Next, and if you want to customize effect or add music, tap on next. Tag people and invite collaborators and type add to ID. Now I'm selecting this ID, click on and then tap on share. So that's how we can easily collaborate post on Instagram.